94.
94.
94.
Conjonction 1.
Conjunctions 1.
Conjunctions 1.
Attends que la pluie cesse.
Wait until the rain stops.
Wait until the rain stops.
Attends que je termine.
Wait until I'm finished.
Wait until I'm finished.
Attends qu'il revienne.
Wait until he comes back.
Wait until he comes back.
J'attends que mes cheveux sèchent.
I'll wait until my hair is dry.
I'll wait until my hair is dry.
J'attends que le film soit fini.
I'll wait until the film is over.
I'll wait until the film is over.
J'attends que les feux soient au vert.
I'll wait until the traffic light is green.
I'll wait until the traffic light is green.
Quand pars-tu en congé?
Where do you go on holiday?
When do you go on holiday?
Avant les vacances d'été?
Before the summer holidays?
Before the summer holidays?
Oui, avant que les vacances d'été ne commencent.
Yes, before the summer holidays begin.
Yes, before the summer holidays begin.
Répare le toit avant que l'hiver ne commence.
Repair the roof before the winter begins.
Repair the roof before the winter begins.
Lave tes mains avant de t'asseoir à table.
Wash your hands before you sit at the table.
Wash your hands before you sit at the table.
Ferme la fenêtre avant de sortir.
Close the window before you go out.
Close the window before you go out.
Quand viens-tu à la maison?
When will you come home?
When will you come home?
Après le cours?
After class?
After class?
Oui, après que le cours est terminé.
Yes, after the class is over.
Yes, after the class is over.
Après avoir eu un accident, il ne pouvait plus travailler.
After he had an accident, he could not work anymore.
After he had an accident, he could not work anymore.
Après avoir perdu son travail, il est allé en Amérique.
After he had lost his job, he went to America.
After he had lost his job, he went to America.
Après être allé en Amérique, il est devenu riche.
After he went to America, he became rich.
After he went to America, he became rich.